This is Slappy. The first day that I took Slappy out, I dropped him right on his head. I had my iPhone mount attached to a tripod. I was taking motion laps. I went to reposition my tripod, and Slappy departed the iPhone, fell about 5 feet, and landed straight on asphalt. Hit the right side of the gimbal, just like that. I thought I'd killed him. Turned him off, rebooted him. He fired right up. Worked like a charm. Has been working great for the past week and a half now. There's a big dent on the right side of his gimbal, but other than that, it works great. When Slappy impacted the asphalt, this plastic paneling flew right off. I have to hand it to DJI. I never would have expected the Osmo to survive a fall straight onto asphalt like that. I mean, the gimbal is pretty freaking sturdy, as I have proven. One quality control issue that I'm having is this iPhone adapter is coming apart. So when you go to pull it off of the iPhone, it like pulls out the internals. You can see there the little glue patch has broken. So I'm gonna re-glue that with some super glue. So does this replace a GoPro? Absolutely not, and here's why. Try doing this with your Osmo Pocket. Now I do believe the Osmo Pocket will replace your conventional gimbals or your GoPros because you just can't beat the size and image quality of the Osmo Pocket. Alright, as an outdoorsman, if I had to choose between purchasing a GoPro and the Osmo Pocket, I would go with the GoPro, and here's why. It's still a smaller package, it's a 7th generation product, so a lot of the bugs are ironed out, and it's waterproof.
Out here testing out the Osmo Pocket.